Natural rebonding for hair. Today I'm going to show you a natural rebonding treatment that will leave your hair looking shiny, smooth, and deeply nourished, something you'll absolutely love for the long term. This is one of the most powerful natural remedies to help rebond your hair gently without any harsh chemicals. Let's get started by taking one medium-sized beetroot. First, peel the beetroot carefully to remove the outer skin. Then cut it into small pieces so it cooks faster and releases all its goodness. Beetroot is incredible for hair. It helps reduce hair loss significantly. It's packed with amazing nutrients like protein, vitamin A, and calcium. And all these are essential for promoting strong, healthy hair growth from the roots. In fact, beetroot also works to tighten the pores on your scalp, which can help minimize hair fall over time. Take a saucepan and pour in 2 cups of water. Add the chopped beetroot pieces into the water. Next, we're going to add rice. Did you know that Yao women, famous for their long, strong, and shiny hair, use rice water as a part of their hair care ritual? Add 2 tablespoons of rice into the pan. Rice is full of amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants, and essential minerals. It helps make your hair feel incredibly smooth. It naturally boosts shine, strengthens each strand from within, and supports faster, healthier hair growth. Now let's add one more powerful ingredient: coffee powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee to the pan. Coffee is well known for its ability to reduce hair fall and encourage new hair to grow in thinning areas. It also makes your hair feel softer and look shinier. Over time, it can even help darken premature gray hairs in a natural way. Give everything a good mix so the ingredients blend well together. Now let's bring this mixture to a boil and cook it thoroughly so all the nutrients infuse into the water. Once it's fully cooked and looks rich in color, turn off the flame. Allow the mixture to cool down completely before moving on to the next step. Now transfer it to a blender and blend until you get a smooth consistency. After blending, strain the mixture using a fine strainer or a clean piece of cloth. This will help you get a smooth, creamy mask without any lumps or residue. And there you have it. Your natural hair rebonding mask is ready. This mask not only reduces hair fall, but can even help new hair sprout in areas where there's thinning or balding. If you're finding this useful, don't forget to tap the like button. It really helps the channel. Before applying, make sure your hair is slightly damp. Then, start applying the mask from the scalp and spread it evenly down the entire length of your hair. Once fully applied, cover your hair with a shower cap to lock in the moisture and nutrients. Leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes to let your hair soak up all the goodness. Then rinse it off gently using a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. You can store the leftover mask in a clean bottle. Just make sure to keep it in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. If you have high porosity hair, you can use this treatment once a week. But if your hair is low porosity, using it once every 15 days is enough. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this natural remedy a try. It's a real game changer.